Unit 3, Element 3, Answer Sheet Administration. In this element we will show you how to use the system to enter data from the answer sheets completed by respondents in paper-based administration. We will show you how to do this for single respondents or groups of respondents. Let's consider that Mr. Bradshaw has completed 15 FQ+ in a paper-based administration. As is usual, in the respondent screen we can select Brian's record ready for action. Now we can either right-click in the assessment menu bar on the taskbar and select Administer Answer Sheet, or again right-click on Brian's record and select the same command. The dialog box gives us a confirmation screen and we can select the questionnaire for administration. 15 FQ+ is already selected. Press the next icon to continue. Now the answer sheet entry screen appears. As you can see, Brian's name appears as a watermark behind the entry boxes. All we need to do, using the number keys, is carefully replicate the answers on the paper-based answer sheet into the system. Once we've entered a response for every question, and as we enter a response for the last item, the system invites us to save the answer sheet. As we can see, we now have a result for Brian on 15 FQ+. Unit 4 shows how to generate reports as is required. Let's move on to processing a number of answer sheets for a group. The process for entering answer sheets for a group of respondents is similar to that for an individual. Firstly, to highlight the group of respondents to process, click on the first respondent, hold down the Shift key and click on the last respondent. Once highlighted, let's use the Administer Answer Sheet button on the taskbar. Again, the dialog box opens and we can check the group selected. And also select the tests to be administered. I've chosen ART, an abstract reasoning test, as a relatively short example. As before, after clicking on Continue, the name of the respondent appears as a watermark, so you can ensure you are entering the correct answer sheet for the right respondents. Use the number keys to copy the responses from the paper answer sheet as before. Once you have finished the first respondent, on confirmation of saving this answer sheet, the system automatically launches the answer sheet for the next respondent. And you may continue in exactly the same way. I'm now entering the answer sheet information for the last respondent in the group. For your information, note that if a respondent misses some questions, leaving the answer sheet blank, you can move on using the down arrow. If a respondent, perhaps having run out of time, has not answered the last items on the answer sheet, you can simply click the OK button at this point and save the answer sheet. Now that all group members have been entered and the results are in the system, as we can see here, again we could move on to reporting, which will be the topic for the next unit.